Good morning students, welcome back once again to our online class. Today I will teach you science. This is for class 4. In our previous class we have done the chapter 3 safety and first aid. We have completed the first aid and first aid tips for some of the injuries. Okay, we have done what is first aid. So, what is first aid? Let us recap what we have done. First aid, what is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival is called first aid. Then we have seen the first aid tips. Some of the first aid tips are what first aid should we give to a person who has cuts and wounds, who has minor burns, who has insect bites. These are the tips we have done. So, let us see what we have done. First aid tips for cuts and wounds. So, for number 1, wash your hands thoroughly before giving the first aid to an injured person. Then now for a deep cut, first remove the dirt from the wound, then clean the skin around it with small pads of cotton soaked in an antiseptic lotion. Then tie a bandage around it to stop bleeding. Put a band-aid for minor cuts. Then for minor burns, what are the first aid tips we should follow? Number 1, keep the burnt area under cold running water. Yes, you should keep the burnt area under cold running water. Then put an ice pack on the burnt area for a few minutes. Number 3, apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt part. Then for insect bites, what first aid should we give for insect bites? Number 1, point number 1, you have to put a paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected area. Then number 2, put ice cubes over the affected area. Number 3, apply calamine lotion in case of itching. Then if a person faints, if you see a person faints, so what are the first aid? What first aid you should give to a person who has faint? So, when a person faints, make him or her lie down with the head at a lower level than the body. It allows rapid blood circulation towards the brain. Allow fresh air around the person. Sprinkle cold water on his face and loosen his clothes. So, this is the first aid you should give to a person who has faint. Okay. Then we will go to the next page number 20. For nose bleeding, what first aid we should give? See, if in case of nose bleeding, pinch the nose for 7 to 8 minutes and lean slightly forward till bleeding stops. Okay, put a cold wet towel on the face. So, what should we do? If in case of nose bleeding, you have to pinch the nose for 7 to 8 minutes. You have to pinch the nose this way for 7 to 8 minutes, then lean slightly forward till the bleeding stops. Then put a cold wet towel on the face. The mouth should be open. The mouth, who is having the nose bleeding, this person his mouth should be open. His mouth should be open so that the person can breathe through the mouth. Okay, this is the first aid you should give for a nose bleeding. Then first aid. Today we will see what is first aid box. Okay, what things you should keep in the first aid box. Remember, first aid box should be kept everywhere, at home, in the school, everywhere. Actually, accidents can happen anywhere, anytime. So, first aid kit should be ready. First aid box should be ready there. So, what are the first aid things? First aid box. What are the things we should keep in the first aid box? Remember, see here, we all must have a first aid box in our home and school. The first aid box should contain, what should it contain? What are things you should keep in your first aid box? The first aid box should contain antiseptic. What is meaning by antiseptic? Antiseptic means something that prevents infection. Antiseptic means that something that prevents infection. Okay, you should keep antiseptic cream, antiseptic lotion, cotton pads, pair of scissors, band-aid, crepe bandage. So what are the things we should keep? Number one, I can write antiseptic cream. Number two, antiseptic lotion. Number three, cotton pads or cotton, anything, a pair of scissors, number five, band-aid, number six, crepe bandage, okay, these are the things we should keep, essential things we should keep in the first aid box: antiseptic cream, antiseptic lotion, cotton pads or cotton, then pair of scissors, band-aids, crepe bandage. Okay, you can see the picture there, see. Okay, these are the things you should keep in the first aid box. So children, we have completed this chapter now. Remember, we are doing our term 1 syllabus. Okay, I have written there term 1 syllabus. We are doing chapter 3, which is included in the term 1 syllabus. So now keywords, I am rubbing this one now. Then we learn the keywords. You should know that keywords is your one word answer. You memorize this as one word. Suppose I have written one, I will show you one example. Suppose I have written one sentence. Give one word answer. Immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival. Before the doctor's arrival. Suppose this statement is given or this sentence is given. Okay, you have to write the answer. Answer is first aid. Immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival. Another one, it is also there in your keywords, antiseptic. What do you mean by antiseptic? Something, if I write there, something that prevents infection. Something that prevents infection. Your answer will be right. You will write as one word answer. This will write as one word answer. Something that prevents infection. It is an antiseptic. The answer is antiseptic. Okay, students, this way we will do these keywords as your one word answer. Give one word answer. The question is set in this way. Give one word answer. Question will be set in this way. Give one word answer. And this statement will be given. You will write only the one word. Okay students, today up to this much we have done. See you in the next class. We will do the exercise from this chapter. See you again. Thank you.